Hi, puzzle lovers. Are you ready to crack a cool number pattern? It looks easy, but trust me, it's going to challenge your logical skills. Let's see how fast you can crack the code before me. Looks at the mysterious rows of pattern. Row 1 is 4 times 3 times 5 equals 149. Row 2 is 4 times 2 times 6 equals 70. Row 3 is 2 times 5 times 6 equals 106. And in row 4, your challenge is to find 2 times 3 times 4 is equal to what? Looks normal? Like simple multiplication? But there's a sneaky twist. The answers are totally unexpected. So what's going on here? Most people think these are wrong equations, but the truth is there's a secret pattern rule, and once you discover it, everything suddenly makes sense.
Here's the hidden logic. Pay attention. Step 1. Multiply the first two numbers. Step 2. Take that result and square it. Yes, square it. Finally, step 3. Add the third number. Boom, that's the pattern rule. Let's test it on row 1. 4 times 3 equals 12. 12 squared is 144. 144 plus 5 equals 149. Perfect. Now apply on row 2. 4 times 2 equals 8. 8 squared is 64. 64 plus 6 equals 70. Still perfect. Next, row 3. 2 times 5 equals 10. 10 squared is 100. 100 plus 6 equals 106. So, pattern confirmed. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, let's crack the final row together. 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 squared equals 36. 36 plus 4 equals... Are you ready? The final answer is 40. Yes, that's how you break down a pattern like a pro. If you solved it before the reveal, you're officially a puzzle genius. Smash that like button, share this with your friends, and challenge them to crack the rule faster than you did. For more fun, educational, mind-blowing puzzles, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Your brain deserves it.